Shake, 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 senora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 senora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 senora, work your body line. Work, 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 senora, work it all the time. My girl's name is Senora, I tell your friends I adore her. And when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line. Rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line. Rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line. Rock your body in time. Hi, Ryan Murphy here from Guitar Lessons with Ryan. Today we have an easy 3-chord song called Jump in the Line, so let's zoom on in and get started. Alright, before we begin, I just want to note that we use a capo on the 3rd fret for this song. However, if you don't want to use a capo, you can just play without, and it'll just be in a lower key. Now, if you're already proficient in chord reading, you can skip on ahead to where I go over the song structure, but otherwise we're going to cover all 3 chords for the song right now. Alright, now the first chord is a D major chord. We have the open on the 4th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 2nd finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the 2nd string. Just those 4 strings. Now to go from the D chord to the A7 chord, lift off the 3rd finger, move the 1st and 2nd fingers up 1 string each, and strum from the 5th string down. And the 3rd and final chord is the G major. This one I'm going to use the 4-finger version, so it's going to be 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 6th string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 5th string, open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, 3rd finger, 3rd fret on the 2nd string, 4th finger, 3rd fret on the 1st string. Alright, next we're going to go over the strumming pattern. It's going to be a down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now for that sound, basically all I do during that downstroke is I have my right hand touch the strings as I do that strum. So it's going to sound like this. Down, up, and then I do a palm mute as I do that strum. So you're going to have to practice that a few times. A good exercise might be going downstroke, 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 palm mute and strum at the same time. Down, 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 down. And then what we could do is add that upstroke. And then add the second downstroke after the muted strum. All right, now let's go over the introduction for the song. That's the part that goes like this. All right, so for that part, we're going to start with the 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 2nd string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string, 4th finger, 5th fret of the 1st string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret on the 1st string, play that twice, and then 4th finger, 5th fret of the 2nd string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 2nd string, back to the 4th finger, 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then from there we go to the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string twice, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 1st string, and then you move the 1st finger to the 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then 4th finger, 5th fret of the 2nd string, 2nd finger, 3rd fret of the 1st string, back to the 4th finger, 5th fret of the 2nd string, 1st finger, 2nd fret of the 2nd string, and then roll the 1st finger up to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and that's going to be where you need it to be for the D chord. Alright, so let me play that part very slowly. Alright, moving right along. So that part basically takes 2 measures. Alright, now if you didn't want to play that introduction part, you could just strum a D and A7 chord on the downbeats. And then from there, we have 6 more bars of the regular strum pattern that I showed you. to the shake, 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 Signora part. All right, so the shake, 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 Signora part, which is the chorus, is simply just back and forth from the D chord to the A chord using that strum pattern. D, A, 7, back to D, A7, to a D. Shake, 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 Signora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Signora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Signora, work your body line. Work, 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 Signora, work it all the time. Now we're into the verse part. Now for this part, I just go. So it's going to be a D chord, and then use your right hand to stop the chord, and then go to a G chord. Back to a D chord, A7, and to a D, to a G, back to a D, and then A7. So that's the part that goes, my girl's name is Signora, I tell you friends I adore her, and when she dances, oh brother, she's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. All right, now from there we just go to the jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. And it's going to be back and forth from the D to the A7 again. So D chord, A7, D, 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 A7. And that's going to sound like this. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. All right, before we go to the next section, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know if there's any songs you'd like me to cover in a future video. All right, now from there we're doing a lot of repeating of parts now. We're going to be going back to the shake, 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 Signora part from the D back and forth from the D to the A7. And then from there we're going to be doing another verse. And so let me just go through the rest of the song structure so you can see how everything goes. Shake, 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 Signora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Signora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Signora, work your body line. Work, 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 Signora, work it all the time. Now we go to the next verse. You could talk about cha-cha, tango, waltz, or the rumba. Signora's dance has no title. You jump in the saddle, hold on to the bridle. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Rock your body, child. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Somebody help me. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Shake, 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 Signora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 Signora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 Signora, work your body line. Work, 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 Signora, work it all the time. Now we go to the next verse. Signora, she's a sensation, the reason for aviation. And fellas, you got to watch it. When she wind up, she bottom, she go like a rocket. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Hoist those skirts a little higher. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Up the chimney, jump in the line, rock your body in time. All right, now we're going to go to the horn solo. This has the same chord progression as the shake, 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 Signora part. So it's just going to be a D, 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 A7, 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 D, 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 All right, now we're going to go to another shake, shake, shake part. This time has a little bit of a muted part that we play halfway through each line. So it's going to sound like this. Shake, 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 senora. Shake your body line. Shake, 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 senora. 2, 3, 4. Shake it all the time. Dance, 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 senora. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dance it all the time. Work, 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 senora. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work it all the time. Now notice for the down strums, all I'm doing is a palm mute there and just strumming each string with the downstroke. All right, now we go on to the last verse, and it sounds like this. Senora dances calypso, left to right is the tempo, and when she gets the sensation, she go up in the air, come down in slow motion. And we move on to the final chorus then, the jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body in time. Somebody help me! Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you, jump in the line, rock your body in time. And then we had the final shake, shake, shake part. Shake, 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 senora, shake your body line. Shake, 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 senora, shake it all the time. Work, 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 senora. All right, that's all there is for that lesson. And don't forget to head over to my Patreon where you can find the song sheet for this song and all the other songs I teach on YouTube. And in addition to that, you'll be able to participate in polls to help me decide which songs I teach next. All right, that's all for today. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.